Good afternoon, Tremper families. This is Mr. Connect, principal at Tremper High School, and this message is to share an announcement that I made to the student body yesterday. Please take a few moments to listen to what I read yesterday and speak with your student about the importance of this message. The message read, "Recently in our community, state, and nation, we have seen a rise in violent threats against our schools being made by students. I cannot stress enough that threats will not be taken lightly by the district or law enforcement. Wisconsin's Act 311 generally states that any individual who makes real or false claims regarding shootings, bomb threats, or to cause any bodily harm to others is guilty of a Class 1 felony. Any form of threat against the school, staff, or students will be taken seriously, and disciplinary action will be imposed if you are guilty of such threats. I want you to know that we work to ensure your safety when you come to school, and we want you to feel comfortable in your learning environment. This is why we work closely with our staff, families, community, and local law enforcement to watch and listen for anything that may pose a possible threat to our schools. You can help. If you hear or read anything concerning, if you have suspicions about someone's behavior or intentions, please tell an adult. This could be a teacher, principal, counselor, parent, police officer, or any other trusted adult. Your sharing will help protect others. I also want to stress that this is not a joking matter. Making comments about the threats or incidents that have occurred locally or elsewhere is not appropriate and should not be happening. I ask that you think of the families across the nation who have lost their children and loved ones, and that you be respectful of their loss. Please do not make light of a very serious situation. If you need someone to speak to, please let us know and we will accommodate your needs. The Tremper staff will do everything we can to ensure your comfort while you are here at school. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.